Millions of Americans are in Manhattan for honor. They raise their banners, they are shouting these three words: Allah, New York with Zoran. We are your men, oh Zoran. From the Bronx to Statens Gate, faith unites, they stand as great. Millions of Americans want none but Zoran. We are your men, oh Zoran. America, America, Allah, Allah, protected. Allah, Allah, protected. America, America, America. Down the old Brooklyn's way stood our faith, proud and courageous, and the Lord grants them victory, such victory. We are your men, oh Zoran. Raise the flag through night and day. For Zoran we fight and pray. The heart of New York forever will stay. We are your men, oh Zoran. We are your men, oh Zoran. From Harlem's drums to Long Island shore, the people roar forevermore. Their voices thunder through the land. Zoran, we will take our stand. We are your men, oh Zoran. Skies of gold and rivers wide, our faith and honor side by side, till the stars fall from the span. We follow the only Zoran. We are your men, oh Zoran. America, America, one faith, one name, one plan. Allah bless New York and Zoran. We are your men, Zoran.
AI song. I mean, you're not wrong.
Millions of Americans are in Manhattan for honor. They raise their banners, they are shouting these three words: Allah, New York with Zoran.
Next video should come out by December 22. Gonna spread out. I have 2 videos scheduled for December, so I'm gonna spread them out because you know I want to have as much time in between videos as possible. Okay, man, this song's freaking fire, bro. Not all AI songs are trash, but the thing is, it's a bit hypocritical, you know, if you like them because it's a joke. They're AI songs, nevertheless. I think it's only good, once again, you just have to clarify that it's AI. I think AI stuff can have a place, but please, for the love of God, we need clear ways to know if it's AI. This is ridiculous. Alright. Bring back the lo-fi. I'm gonna get the lo-fi. You know what? No, I'm gonna get the Blocktails music. Screw it. Alright. Alright. So, we're back. Welcome everyone back to the stream. Number 13 down the road. Was this 12 or 13? I already forgot. We're so tough. Thanks. Alright. Oh, music a bit loud. Alright. Let me alright. So yesterday we finished linear algebra. Yesterday all we really did is learn Kramer's rule, sorry. That to solve any system of matrices. And the thing is, RREF is always an easier way to solve for them, because like doing Kramer's rule requires you to get a ton of determinants, and even doing it by a 3 by 3 is so slow, and I always mess up the negative somehow. So just doing Gaussian elimination is just way easier. You studying for finals? No. Now, the pre-calc unit on Khan Academy, it has two more, because unit 10 is calculus, so we're not gonna do that here. Probability and combinatorics and series. The thing is, the like unit 6 and 7, these are like unrelated to calculus, but I still did them because I literally never learned them. But unit 8 and 9, they're also not really related, but I already took them and I don't like them. So I did do the first three. I did do these. This one's permutations and combinations. Permutations, combinations, bro, it's literally just using a formula. Using two different formulas you have to memorize, and I already know them, and I already forgot them, but I know them, I guess. I don't want to do them again. And in the series, geometric and arithmetic series, I already know. Once again, just another formula, just have to remember, and I don't really want to remember. I guess I already know summation notation. That's fine. But binomial theorem, another formula. It relates to Pascal's triangle and all that. So just gonna skip all that. So we're gonna go to Calc 1. Alright. Thank you for the Thank you for the 110 Turkish lira. I believe that's a currency. Thanks, I was just studying calculus too. Hey, fire. Wait, hold on. I need water, but my throat hurts. Okay. Let me give you guys some oh shit, the door's open. Some background. I already know Calc 1. Like, I think like maybe like until unit 5 I already know this stuff, because I mean I took it in high school, so but we're going to do it anyway. Let's see, because calculus is a very important, thing. So, and I haven't learned it in a while. So, let's just do it from this beginning, I guess. Let's see if we can yeah. I'll personally come to Manila and give you a maid outfit. Why? Alright. Alright, just a simple limit. So as x approaches -6, so here it approaches -1. Easy. Limit is just the value x approaches, the value a function approaches as x approaches some value. So it gives an actual value for like asymptotes, for example. A reasonable estimate for as x approaches -5. Is there a direction? No. So if the x approaches -5, it's from left and right. If it says plus, it's coming from, I believe, the right, and then the negatives are coming from the left, but I don't know. My English teacher doesn't believe in perfect essays, so on my finals she gave me 104 and 150. You know, stone. Those kind of teachers, I'm not gonna lie, they kind of piss me off. Like just a little bit. Just like they kind of annoy me or pet peeve me a little bit, because like especially if they give you a rubric and they don't even give you a perfect score. I understand like the philosophy, but like, you know, yeah, we're not perfect, but like like even the grading itself is human, so just give me a perfect in this scenario. But you got 149 out of 150. So like that's fine, you know? Because it's fine because it's like 99 point like 5% anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But if it's like, for example, out of 20, then that's kind of concerning. If it's like they only give you a 19 and shit like that. I'm just saying. X approaches 1, so that's -6. Alright. We have a long way to go. So a lot of this is gonna be pretty easy, and I already know all this, but it's fine. -2. -4. Oh. As x approaches -2? What? -4. What? Why is it -3? Oh, wait, -2. Oh. Alright, I didn't like, you have to zoom in, bro. Whatever. Limit doesn't exist. 0. Limit doesn't exist. Limit doesn't exist because it goes in, you know, from the left side. It goes to a different direction than from the right side. So, yeah. X approaches 5. So that is 6. Oh, 5.7. God, the decimals are like so confusing. Why? Khan Academy loves this shit. They love what do you call it? They love decimals for some reason. I hate decimals. So there's a conflict there. Okay, x approaches -3. The thing is, I don't remember if the minus sign here is from the left or from the right. I genuinely don't remember. I think negative is from the left. So that's 6. Okay, okay. This is Khan Academy? Yes! What do you think it was? 1 from the left, so it's gonna approach 1. Easy. 4 from the left is 3. 4 from the -4 from the right. Infinity. Oh. Alright. Easy. Let's just move on. I think we're gonna like make this super easy until we get to like the later limits, and then we get to like, I don't know, derivatives, you know, deriving and shit like that. Derivatating, whatever the hell you call it. X approaches -2 is 3. Alright, x approaches -2. This one. So it's okay. Limit at x approaches 4 is 3. No, it's -3. X approaches 1 from the right. Where's 1? Oh, here. Is 1... Was that 1 from the right? -1 from the right. -1 is 1. Alright, this one. Cool. Alright. Just looking at chat real quick. Every time, bro. Bro, like, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know why. My voice is always, like, so, like, weird in the morning, bro. So much stuff in my throat for no reason. God, bro, it's so annoying. Alright, let's speedrun through this, I guess. Limit as -1 from the -1 from the left. 6, no. 4, no. So it has to be this one, right? X approaches 6, goes to -1, so none. Bet. Don't worry, Salcon. I know this already. Don't worry. Don't worry. What is this? What is this? What the heck? Oh, you have a limit, and you have to get the table which is closest. Did you do your finals yet, guys? I think I've said this every single stream. I'm not studying to. I'm not doing these study streams to study for any test. I'm studying these to prepare for college, because bro, the gap in between graduating and getting to college is ridiculous. So, I suppose just -1. It goes. Maybe this one. Approximating the limit. Oh. Oh, okay. This one. Yeah. I'm worrying about the fact that you don't want to tell me who you think is winning the Brazilian Cup. Bro, how do I have any relevance or any way of knowing this? Come on, man. Brazilian? I live literally at the opposite side of the world, bro. What is the value of approximating x in -6? The heck? Constant. Yeah. Bro you didn't even spell Albert Einstein, right? You said Alpert. Come on, man. Thank you for the dono again. If you are thinking of doing a biology stream, I think of a biology stream. I need to. I suck at bio. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm not going to, but it's for the reason that I'm not gonna major in bio. So, and I like bio is like a B tier, like maybe a C plus to B tier kind of subject for me. Like, it's just like the most whatever subject. I don't know what to tell you. X of -3 from one direction. Yeah, it's only from one direction. Alright. -7. Gonna be 3. Yeah, probably 3. Zero. So like maybe like 2.9. 8, 9. What is it? Up. It goes higher. Maybe 2.9. Alright, bet. Bro, I'm just reading chat, hold on. Man, I wish I could like talk louder, but my voice is like so I don't even talk that much off stream. What am I doing? What's happening? X goes to -3. Oh, okay. Doesn't exist. One more. X approaches 3. So probably like 10. I bet. One-sided limits. Okay, 2 from the right. Probably goes to 7. 8 from the left. Probably goes to unbounded. Goes to like infinity. 7 from the right. -3. 7 from the right. Unbounded again. We're gonna do this all day, bro. I don't even need to do that. It's like so easy. I already know that shit. Oh my god, what? Functions f and g are graphed. Limit as x approach fx plus gx. Oh my god, bro. I refuse to believe that people confuse the Israeli flag with the Greek flag. No way that's real, right? No shot. F and G are graphed. F and G, and then fx plus gx. As x approaches 1. Bro, I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna do that. I don't wanna add the two together. Bro, I don't wanna do that, bruh. So freaking long, bro. As x approaches 1. God, here. X approaches 1. Okay. Let's get 2. So it's 2 plus 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1. So 2 is going to be 3 plus 2, 5. Open courseware better. Wait, what is open courseware? It's interesting. -1. Oh, but it doesn't exist here. Wait, I want to skip this one. I don't want to do this. Can I not do this? What? Okay, it's 4. I don't want to do it, bro. Okay, how do you actually solve this? Oh. Okay. Okay, so you don't have to do that. Okay. What's the way to do it? The limit of the sum is the sum of the limits. I think there's a rule about that. See, like that's the kind of thing I have to like. That's why I'm doing this. So you have to you have to add the limits from the left. It's 4. Limits from the right is 4. So if they're equal, then it's gonna be 4. Okay. Okay. All right. Bet. Okay, I can do this again. Okay, seems okay. H of x. What x is 3. All right. So this one is going to be 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Oh no, it has to be minus, dumb. 2 minus 2, 0. And from the right, 5 minus 2, so it doesn't exist because they're different. Bro, what the heck is this kind of graph, bro? Freaking McDonald's ass. G of x minus h of x. So g x approaches 0. Okay. So you have -1 minus 0. So -1 on the left. Right side is -1 minus 0. Okay. I'm getting a pattern, right? If they're going to the same value on each one, then the limit's the same. Yeah, because -1 minus 0. Alright. We're learning. G of x. So at s equals to 0, it's 3, right? But it's -2 times 3. So yeah. Okay, bonus. So half of it. S equals to -3. It's 4, but half of it, 2. Wait, I want to search limit laws. Give me that shit. Yeah, these are the kind of stuff like I don't remember. Hey, Rora, don't swear, bro. It's almost my bedtime. Bro, do you know what channel this is? I'm family friendly, guys. Let's see here. So we have a limit and another limit. The sum is just, okay, just add the limits together. Yeah. And then difference is minus the limits. And then a constant, alright. Product is just going to be multiplying them together. Quotient, as long as n is not 0. Power, alright, that's fine. And root. Same thing. Okay, so okay, that's like really easy then. Is there like is there proof? Or is it just like notation? Like maybe like look at this, for example. If you know, square the function, then you square the entire limit. Let's see. Oh my god, what the hell? Bro, okay, I'm not that good in limits, bro. Chill. What is this? Alright. C is C. Add the two limits, subtract, constant, multiplication, division. Okay. Limit of x as a. X approaches a. Of x is a. Alright, easy. Limit x to the n is equal to limit. What's the difference? This one's like the same thing. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, because you can switch to do x. Limit as x approaches a, x to the n is equal to a to the n. Okay. I did not know that. Limit as x approaches a, square root of x equal to square root of a. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, cool. Yes, my mom really likes you, but she doesn't like when you swear and do naughty things. You know, now I'm curious. What the fuck? What the freak? There you go, family friendly. How do you have someone who likes me, but not when I swear and do naughty things? I swear in like every video. I don't know what to tell you, man. That's on you. I apologize, but that's just how it is. Okay, multiply. So -3. Fah. Fah. Doesn't exist. Right? -3 times 0 is equal to... No, it's 0. Mm. Luca, I'm not telling you that, bro. On God. I genuinely... You could genuinely just flip a coin, and then that's gonna give a more meaningful answer than what I'm gonna say. Because because like I got no clue, man. Okay, x approaches 3. Doesn't exist. It's divided by 0. X approaches -2. 5 divided by 1. So 5. And then, okay. 0. So you have 1 times 3. Okay. And then you have 1 times -1. So it doesn't exist. Wow, look at me, bro. So inspirational. Your editor dissed Tech Joyce. That was actually me. You know, there's only 24 people in chat. So let me just give you guys like a little secret about this shit. All right. You know, like the confessions video. The confessions video made it seem like the editors fucking like Yagami, like the smartest, like most insane person in the world, did all this crazy shit for the video. But let me tell you, like, the ending was... Wait, hold on. The editor's like real work was like maybe like a third of the video, plus maybe not like a third, maybe like 40% of the video, plus the ending. The ending is really smart. I did not know that, but a lot of the editing is not from him. It's from me. Like in the video description, I actually edited like possibly like I edited like more than him. The big thing my editor did was just the ending. But like aside from that, it's mostly me. I'm just saying. Search it up. Bro, there's literally no purpose, man. I love your channel. Thank you. Alright. H of f of x. Wait, how do you solve this? How do you solve... Okay, it's at the bottom. So you have f of g of x equal to... What the heck? Is equal to f? What? Wait, okay, let me skip this one. I genuinely don't know. Maybe don't skip them, but... Yeah, fuck, I'm gonna skip it. Composite functions? Alright, what is the secret? What is L? If u and v are functions such that the limit of x approaches c of v of x is equal to L... What? And the limit as x approaches L... u of L... limit of a function of a limit of a function of another function is the function of a limit of that second function. Okay, maybe the proof is like confusing me. Wait, how do you actually solve this? I think it's like the limit of the function is the function of the limit or something like that. Okay, so you have limit h of f of x is equal to h of the limit. That's it. So, okay, so we get the limit of the inner one. I mean, there's probably some proof. Probably. Theorem for limits. I don't want to watch all this.
Limit as x approaches and needs to exist. So the limit as x needs to be continuous at this point. On top of that, needs to exist. So that needs to exist.
What is this? Y of x? What is this? Oh, that's G. Is that G?
And then on top of that,
so this limit needs to exist.
The function f needs to be continuous at this point. And f continuous at L. So let's look at some examples and see if we can apply this idea, or see if our function g.
Okay.
So first, let's figure out what is the limit as x approaches.
How do you get more XP without donating? I actually don't know. YouTube, like, had added a feature a few months ago. I still don't understand how it works. Like, all I know is that everyone gets like 25 XP, and then like you just have to like wait, I guess. And then if you want more, you genuinely just what's the word? Donate.
-3 of f of g of x. Pause this video and see, first of all, does this theorem apply? And if it does apply, what is this limit? So the first thing we need to see is, does this theorem apply? So first of all, if we were to find the limit as x approaches -3 of g of x, what is that?
Okay. So x approaches -3 of g of x. So it's 3. Okay, it's 3, and then you have to get the f of that number. F of 3. F of 3 is... Okay, so it has to be continuous at this point. Okay, alright, I understand. Let's do this one, for example. So, if you do composite functions... if you want to do this, yeah, first of all, you have to get the limit of x approaches 1 of f of x. So, it's 0. Okay, and you have to get h of 0, which is 3. Okay. X approaches 0. Wow, it doesn't exist. G of x, -2. That's 0. And then h of x of 0 doesn't exist. Alright. F of x at 0 is -1. So g of -1 is 4. Alright. So you get g of x, which is -1. Doesn't exist. Alright, cool. 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 363,000 people who admire you, but only 38 watching. I think there's a few reasons. A, because I'm not a YouTube streamer, and B, because it's a study stream, right? You know, it's not going to get a lot of people. Uh-oh, substitution. But the thing is, with the internet, there's always gonna be someone, you know, who's gonna like it for some reason. But hey, I appreciate it, honestly. The g of x is equal to this number, so x approaches -3. So well, let me guess, you substitute -3 into this. So 9 plus 3 minus 1. What is that? 11? Wow, okay, so you do substitute it. X approaches 3. That is 9 minus 4, so 5 divided by 11 minus 6. So that's 1. X approaches 1, so 49, so 7. Alright, okay, cool, I like this. It's easy. I like things being easy. So 5 minus 6. Okay. -1 plus 2 minus 1, 0. Awesome! RSS whirow sucks. Yeah, I hate it too. Direct substitution with limits and shit like that. How long has the stream been going? It's only been 42 minutes? How far are we? Holy shit! Oh my god, bro. Okay, what's the goal for today's stream? Let's see if we can make it at least to the end. But that doesn't feel like enough. It's only been 40 minutes and we're already like pretty okay. With limits that don't exist. Okay. As x approaches 3, so that is 4 divided by nothing. X approaches 4. That is 12 divided by... Okay. 2 times... What's that? 6? 1. X approaches 1, so it's 2 over 1 minus 7. Okay, doesn't exist. Alright, just speed run through all this, bro. So, 6 minus 5. Right? So, well, 6 minus 5 is 1. Let's just... Limit of trig functions. Oh my god. Okay. Cosine of pi, -1. So this one, see guys, a few streams ago we were doing an entire thing on trig, and now you see, now we have the actual like use of it, because trig is fundamental in calc for calculator. So basically it's asking for a tangent of 0. Sine over cosine, and sine is 1. Doesn't exist. Shit. Because if x is 0, that means that sine is 1, oh, it's oh my god, sine is 0. Oh, I'm dumb. Sorry. Cosecant x. Bruh. Cosecant is 1 over sine. So okay, what is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. So 1 over 0. Pi over 6, that's 30. What is sine pi over 6? That is 1/2. From my right hand. Yeah. Bonus, please. Cotangent. Okay, so cotangent is 1 over tangent. So, what is that? So if x is pi, that means that, what is tangent? Sine over cosine. 0. Right? Because sine is 0. Yeah. Please, 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 please. Yes! Right. Piecewise functions. Fuck piecewise functions. It's like the most random shit in the world. Choose one answer. X approaches -2. X is less than, and okay. X approaches -2. -10. -10. So x approaches -2 again. Okay. So 1 over -1/4, and then 2 to the -2, which is doesn't exist because 2 to the -2 is 1/4. Right? Because 2 to the square is 4. Yeah, it doesn't exist. Exponents cannot give negative numbers. So actually just -5. Okay, so this one is -5. Okay, so ignore the bottom one. That's for 0. X is between -8 and 0, so this one -5. Sine x times pi. So you're basically asking, what is sine -5 pi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's basically asking for pi, sine of pi, which is 0. Exponents can be negative numbers, but they result in a small number than the base. No, I'm talking about exponents resulting in a negative number, like 2 to the -2. You don't get a negative number from that. So 3 from the left. This one. Just get this one. Right, 3 from the left. Alright, bet. So it's going to be 8. Alright, don't need the unit test. I just want to move on with my life. Thank you very much. For limit of x approaches 1. So basically just... Oh, but x is 1, so I can just substitute. So 1 plus 2 plus... 1 plus 2 minus 3. Right? 1 plus 2 minus 3, 0. Okay, well, never mind. What? Oh my god. 1 plus 2 minus 3. Oh, don't tell me, bro. Oh, substituting does not work. I have to factor that shit. Yeah, because it's a limit, right? So it's not the same as a regular function. Man. I actually have to, like... Okay, bro. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Yeah. X squared times x squared plus 2x minus 3 over x squared times x minus 1. Cancel these two. And you have x approaches 1, so this is... Okay, well, it doesn't exist anyway. What? Oh my god, and then I have to factor this. Man, fuck you, bro. I just want to finish this quickly, but okay, fine. So what is this? 3 minus 1. Okay, this one. I remember calculus class now. I hated this. because it's just so like annoying. 12 times x minus 5. What's this? Negative 5 minus 1, so x. Cancel these out. What is this? X approaches 5. So it's 12 over negative 4. So negative 3. Oh my god, bro! How did I get it wrong? Anybody else more interested in the stream chat than the actual stream? I mean, it's a study stream. What do you expect? Obviously, there's more. Obviously, it's not meant to be entertaining or anything. Like, duh, people will get bored. Duh. What am I doing wrong? Positive 3? What am I doing wrong? What? Positive 3? What do you mean positive 3? What? What did I get wrong? I'm so... 5 minus 1 is 4. What? No, 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 no. Oh my god, bro. See, it's always the fucking negatives every fucking time, bruh. Oh wait, whoops. I meant to put it here. 12 divided 3, bro. I'm restarting. This is embarrassing. Always the fucking negatives, bro. I can't fucking do that shit. So fucking annoying, bruh. 5 minus 1 is not negative 4, dumbass. Jesus Christ. I mean, x squared plus 2x plus 1. It's not just going to be 1 plus 1, right? So... Okay, just cancel this. X approaches negative 1. So, 1, 0. Okay, just do this. This, that. Why are you crashing out? Because bro, I've done this like 80 times in these study streams. I'm always getting something wrong with the freaking negative sign. So annoying. Also, where's the freaking music? Damn. Alright, there. 7x plus 4. What's this? Negative 12? Yeah, so equal to 1. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Cancel these out. What's it again? X approaches negative 4. So minus 4 minus 3, negative 7. So negative 1. This down here. So x squared x minus 4x plus 4 x minus 2. Isn't this just x plus 2 x minus 2? No. Yeah, it's x minus 2, x minus 2. So x minus 2, this gets cancelled out. How about those quadratics? I'm really good at quadratics. Don't worry. That's fine. I'm all good with it. Easy, bro. Or are you talking about like when I learned it back then? I mean, I relearned it like 50 times, so I don't know what to tell you. Oh, it's 0. I mean, okay, whatever. Oops. I suck so badly at quadratics. Welcome back to 8th grade. Brother, like, if you're confused with what's wrong with quadratic, it's like so like simple. I mean, just do this. Just remember this. That's all you really need to know. Factor this one, so that's going to be 4x x plus 3, and then factor this. But you know what? Fine, if you're having trouble with quadratics, let me help you guys out. Here's a little secret from whirow YouTube channel on how to solve these. Like, I'm just doing a shortcut to make it quicker, but here's how you guys can do it. Put these here. When you have a quadratic, if you don't want to use a quadratic formula, try this first. If you know that the x value is going to be positive or an integer, make a little crisscross like this. Now write in this first column, put 2 numbers that multiply to x, so x times x. In the second column, put 2 numbers here that multiply to 3, so that's 3 and 1. All right. Now multiply diagonally x, multiply diagonally 3x. Add these two together. If you add x and 3x, and the middle column you get 4x. If this sum is equal to this number, then you already have the answer. Remove the middle column. Positive 3, x plus 3, positive 1. Boom, answer. World made me fail algebra. I didn't even do algebra, bro. I don't even know how to tell you, bro. I didn't even start the study streams with like basic algebra. I think I started with like pre-cal. X plus 3, x plus 1. I'm apologize to the linear algebra, the linear algebra people. You know, I don't wanna, we don't wanna get like too much into that stuff right now, because we're not there yet. You know, we're just like, people take linear algebra after calculus, so we're technically ahead because like we're so smart and all that. Yay, we leveled up! Fire. Conjugates. What's a conjugate again? I already forgot. What's a limit conjugate? Pre-calculus is annoying, just algebra plus trig. Exactly. The thing is, especially the trig, bro. Algebra I'm already fine with, but freaking trig is so annoying. I have to remember though that. Okay, what's a conjugate again? I already forgot. Oh no, it's this one. Oh no. I don't like that. In GCSE, what is that? Let's watch the video to find out. God damn it. Okay, what's another method? I guess my... So one method is substituting, another method is... You know, you have to factor it first.
Let's see if we can find the limit as x approaches negative
Are you not
1.
English?
X plus 1 over the
So
square
if you have a rational root, isn't it like, you know, dots? X plus something.
root of x plus 5 minus 2. So
Logically,
our
yeah,
first
I know
reaction
that.
might just be, okay, well, let's just use our limit properties a little bit. This is going to be the same thing as the limit of square root of x plus...
Okay. Okay, limit, multiply, right? Just separate.
5. And then our denominator, the 2, negative 1.
Okay, so it's either 0 or undefined.
2 minus 2, we get 0 again. So we got 0 over 0.
Oh, okay. If it's 0 over 0, what I know about limits is that if it's 0 over 0, there's an answer. There is definitely an answer if it's 0 over 0. You just didn't find it.
Now, when you see that, you might be tempted to give up. You say, "Oh, look, there's a 0 in the denominator. Maybe this limit doesn't exist. Maybe I'm done here. What do I do?" And if this was non-zero up here in the numerator, if you're taking a non-zero value and dividing it by 0, that is undefined, and your limit would not exist. But when you have 0 over 0, this is indeterminate form, and it doesn't mean necessarily that your limit does not exist. And as we'll see in this video and many future ones, there are tools at our disposal to address this, and we will look at one of them. Now, the tool that we're going to look at is there another way of rewriting this expression?
I forgot, okay. Oh, I know. You do dots. You times both the top and bottom with root x plus 5 plus 2. Let me guess, because I'm like super smart and all that.
We can evaluate its limit
Freaking Einstein.
without getting the zero of it. So essentially what we're trying to do is find the limit of g of x to x and manipulate minus is when you get this indeterminate form, and if you have a square root in either the numerator or the denominator, it might help to get rid of that square root. This would be equal to a squared minus b squared. You learned that. Well, that'd be the square root of a squared, which is just going to be
a minus b squared. Oh my god, bro. What did I say, bro? See, I do remember what I learned like a year ago. Also, my phone. Yeah. Wow, look at me, bro. So inspirational. Multiply both of them, and then you cancel, and then you substitute, I think. Okay. Okay, what? Did I miss something?
of g of x equals negative 1. A point discontinuity right over here at x, or we could say the limit of the square root of x plus 5. Well, this expression is continuous, or this function is continuous at x equals negative 1, so we can just evaluate it at x equals 2 plus 2 plus 2x. So visually,
all right, cool.
Max there. Well, let's or if it.
All right, whatever. Oh no! I don't like what I see there. I don't like what I see here. I don't like this. I don't like what I see here. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I don't like that. I don't like what I see there. Just let me remember. Let me remember. Fuck. Wait, I already forgot. Cosine squared theta minus 1? Is that right? Fuck, they get it wrong. 1 minus 2 cosine squared minus 1. Oh, I'm right. But it's also equal to... There you go. Sine squared minus cosine squared. No, it says... Fuck. It's the opposite. It's cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. There you go. I just failed my driving test. Oh no. Uh-oh. What happened? Alright, conjugates, baby. Conjugates. Alright. How do I do this? How do I want to write it down? Okay, I'll just ignore this for now. It's like you put the limit on the top and bottom, and then you do 4x plus 28 plus 4. Okay. There you go. Yeah, dots, right? So a squared plus a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So it's going to be 4x plus 28 minus 16. The parentheses aren't necessary, but whatever. What is this? And I have to multiply it. What? So x plus 3 times root 4x plus 28 plus x plus 3. So 4x plus 12. Right, 4x plus 12. So x plus 4x 5x. 12 plus 3 is 15. So just remove this, and I have this. Okay. Okay, now can I replace it? Oh, I forgot I can do this. Oh, I'm dumb! Oh my god, I just realized. Oh, no, it's not multiplied. Fuck. Never mind. Plus 4x plus 12. Because if I put this, 28 minus 16 is 12. Like this. And that's the thing. So negative 3. So 0. Fuck. God damn it! What the heck? 0 all on the top divided by 0. No. where I don't know if you're talking about if but I'd be interested if knowing your opinion. Brother, I can't give my opinion on something I have no opinion on. I have literally nothing to say. There's nothing. I'll just say it doesn't exist. Bro. Oh my god, okay, I forgot about that. If you're doing limits also, don't group them, don't like multiply them together because you might get something important. Yeah. Fuck. God damn it, bro. Yeah, look. Yeah. You have to factor them like that. And then you do this. And you have 4 over 28. And x equals -3. -12 plus 28. 16. So that's 16. 4. That's 5 plus x goes to -3. So minus 12. 5 minus, what is 5 minus 12? -7. So it's -47? Is that the answer? Nope, I'm wrong again. Oh my god, why? I'm getting it wrong again. This fucking idiot, bro. Plus 4x plus 1. Oh my god. You know what? I'm not... Bro, can I just skip this already? Like, bro. This is really embarrassing, bro. I don't wanna do this. Let me just do it. Let me just try again. Just zoom in. Fucking bro. So multiply on, like, if you see this, then get rid of it. This. So you have 2 squared 4 minus x plus 1 put it down here over, what is that? How do I multiply these together? What's my plan here? Just distribute, right? So it's going to be 2x minus 6 plus these two together. I could just distribute x minus 3 into them. So let's do that. X minus 3. X plus 1 root. What is it? X approaches to 3? I got a 0 again. Ugh. What am I missing? I'm sorry bothering you, but I'm still interested in knowing. Brother, I don't have an opinion. Stop, okay? I don't have an opinion. Where's whirow but green to save me? Am I fucking stupid? Bro, what am I doing wrong? Oh, maybe this. Four minus 3, 1. Minus, my god! Is it just 0? I genuinely don't understand. 0? What the fuck did I do wrong, bro? How am I getting everything wrong, bruh? Where's my slipper? There. 2 plus. Oh my god, it's because I fucking multiplied them. You don't have to do that. It's because I distributed x minus 3. Fucking idiot, bro. Bro, why do I keep multiplying them together? You don't have to do that shit. The point is to cancel them fucking out, bruh. Oh my god. Fucking idiot, bro. Like, bro, just put them together. You don't have to multiply them. Fucking hell, man. Lopel does not solve this. Wait, now I have it on the bottom too. Oh wait, maybe I have to do it. Maybe I have to do it again. Let's do it again. Einstein incoming right here. Okay. See, now I have this at the bottom and this at the top. So this one I can cancel. And I have x plus 1 over 5 minus... I'm gonna kill my... I went back to the fucking beginning, didn't I? I just went back to the beginning! I went in a fucking circle! Why the fuck did I multiplied it twice? I just went back to the beginning! This is a minus, by the way. Minus. We're stop ignoring chat, bro. If y'all are talking about the fucking Brazilian Cup finals, I'm ignoring that shit. I have an idea. Maybe we also multiply both sides by x minus 1. Nope, that does nothing. Because look, it's x equals -1. This is still a 0. Bro, how? Okay, maybe it's like this. Okay, maybe I have to put the two together. 25 minus 28, so minus 3. Oh my god, it's so fucking easy! Right, it's minus 3x minus 3. Now you cancel. so fucking easy. Oh my god, bruh. What is -3 plus 28? 25. Oh my god, but this is... It still becomes 0, so I have to do it again. See, now at the bottom it becomes 25 minus 3x minus 28. What's that? Wait, once again, this just becomes minus 3x. Wait, am I just going back to the beginning? No, no, no. Look, it says 25 minus 28. Okay, so it's gonna be minus 3 x plus 1 over minus 3 . See, now but like, look, if I do that, I just go back to the fucking beginning. Whirl, please? I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I'm gonna rage quit, bro. I'm gonna end the stream because I'm actually just like fucking stupid. No. The humble Lopito. We're not there yet. Ah, fuck this shit, man. Like, we're here. Like, this is where we were before. Okay, this is a 5, by the way. 5 plus. This becomes, you know, minus 3x plus 1. So this one gets cancelled. Yeah, I was here already! And then I just I got lost what to do here. Because now the square is at the denominator, which does nothing. Because look, we're going to -1. Minus 3 plus 28 is 25. It's 3 over 0. I'm supposed to have an answer. -1? 28 minus 3, 25. Root 25, 5. It's a plus and a minus. You... Of course I get negatives. How do I get positive? How did I get... What? How was the answer -6? Oh, probably because of this. Oh, dumb. Yeah, you have to remember to do it like this. Not the fucking parentheses. See, it's because of the negatives! Every time! It's always that! I can't... I'm trying to stop doing that mistake and I keep doing it! Man, we're just at limits, bro. It's supposed to be the easiest shit in the world, man. X approaches 4. So that is 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12. 4. Root 4. So 2 plus 2, 4. -1. Please, one more, please, bro. Oh my god, please. Bro, I've had enough. I've had enough of this shit. Don't do this shit. Like, don't fucking do this shit to me. It's minus because you're supposed to do it like this, but you're skipping that fucking step, you dumbass. It's supposed to be minus 22 over minus, what is 16 minus 22? Minus 6. Okay, replace at -3. Okay, negative, okay. 22 minus 6, 16. 8 over -2. Please, 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 yes. Why did it take so long, bro? Bro, it took way too long. I don't want to do that again. Oh my god, what the fuck? Bro. Have you done L'Hopital rule yet? Brother, we're at trig identities and conjugates. L'Hopital doesn't do shit for them, bro. And L'Hopital's about going to infinity and shit like that. Damn. Ugh. I actually don't know how to solve this. Wait, okay, pi over 2, okay. What is sine pi over 2? 1. So 0. Tan squared something times 0. I mean, the first one is 0 anyway. Of course. Oh, really? It does 0, really? Okay, bro. How do you just know it goes into 0 over 0? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then you cancel them. We're gonna be in here a while. Oh my god, double angle. Sine squared of 2. Okay, well, to be fair, 1 over sine squared is just cosine squared. But it's 2 times theta. But it's sine squared? Bro, I don't know that. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, well, duh. Use double angle identity. Yeah, but like, isn't it? It's squared. Okay, well, okay. This did not help. Oh, I know. 1 minus. Put square outside the brackets. Oh, you can do that. Because I don't, because it's like it's trig. It's trig functions. I don't know what rules I can use and what rules I can't use. So you're telling me I can do 2 sine theta cosine theta. Like this? Can I do that? Answers for, why are you telling me the answer, bro? We're not even we're not even close yet. But you know, wait. Okay, I'll just assume you're wrong. You know why? To give me hope. Cosine squared. Cancel. Okay. Theta is pi over 2. Remember that sine pi over 2 equals 1. So sine squared theta is just 1 squared. 2! 2, 2, 2! This motherfucker, bro. Oh my god, because you have to square this one also. Fucking kill myself, bro. Two, please, please, bro. It's the answer is 2, bro. Oh god. Please, the answer is 2. Thank god. Okay. Cosine 2, so it's equal to 1 minus cosine squared theta. Oh my god, bro. I can't remember the cosine one. Is it? I can't remember it. Okay, I fucking idiot, bro. 2 cosine squared theta. I have to remember. This is the form I should remember, bro. Minus 1. But look, it's cosine squared x minus 1. Okay, well, okay. Or I can do cos squared x minus sine squared x. Okay. Is there a way to cancel these? It's not really the same as x squared over x. Like, it's not the same because there's a minus sign here. Now do dots. Oh, dots. Yeah, like. Okay, well this gets cancelled. Okay, and I have this, pi over 4. What is cosine pi over 4? Pi over 4 is 45. Well, this one. Okay, I'm not looking at chat for this one. I'm not looking at chat. I'll get it. I don't need Einstein's to tell me the answer in 5 seconds. Just get this. This answers to 1. 1 over 2 cosine theta. As x approaches 0, root 4 over 2, so 1 half. Please, 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 let it be over, bro. Oh my god, what do I do? I know sine squared theta is 2 times 1 minus cosine squared theta. Over 1 minus cosine. Maybe I do conjugate? That's my idea. Let's do conjugate. Or maybe theta goes to 0? No, no, no. It's 1 anyway. My idea is to do conjugate, so let's do... How'd I put these two together? 1 plus... idea. I don't need chat to tell me I'm doing the wrong step, because I need to do it by myself. My idea is this, and then we can do a squared minus b squared. But no, that doesn't do anything because it's just going to add the cosine. So okay, there's no point in that. Brother, what identity is there? Okay, I'm looking at chat. Fuck this shit, man. Oh my god, it's dotsic. I was literally thinking of dot, but I went the fucking opposite way. Why did I think of making a cosine to the 4th? Bro, this is... 1 is already a square, you dumbass! Oh my fucking god, bro. Bro, I'm actually raging. This is so ridiculous, bro. How am I so stupid? Like, bro, it's like right in front of you and you're still getting it wrong. This is rage bait, bro. This is rage bait. I need to do this again. This is ridiculous. We just did this. This one doesn't count. We just did this again. We just did this. Okay, different one. No, 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 no. No, I don't like what I see, bro. I don't like what I see. Why is it... What? Okay, never mind. It's the same thing again. So... Phew, I don't have to do anything. This gets cancelled out. Pi over 4. What is cosine pi over 4? What is it again? Pi over 4 is root 2 over 2 plus 1. This is 2 over 2, so this gets cancelled into 1 plus 1. Yes! 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 Please! Let this be over, bro. Okay, cotangent is sine squared over is cosine. Should I separate the two together? Should I separate the two? I mean, I can do the dots again. I can do this. 1 minus sine squared x times 1 over dot. I can do dots again. Cancel these two. Can I do pi over 2 now? Nope. Nope, nope. It's still 0. No, wait, no. It's 1. Oh, I can do pi over 2 now, so that's gonna be 1 plus... What is sine pi over 2? Well, pi over 2 is 90, so it's obviously gonna be 1 over 1. 2. Yes! Okay. Oh, I'm learning. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I did it. It's painful. Check identities, bro. What are you doing, bruh? What are you doing, bro? There's a lot. Damn. What is this? Conclusion from direct substitution? Pi over 3. What's pi over 3? 60? Yeah, 60. Cosine 60 is 1/2. Wait, I'm using my finger. It's 1/2. What is the top? Root 3 over 2 squared. Okay. Zero, and then 25 minus 20 is 8. Pi over 4. So basically asking what cosine of pi over 2. So divide by 1. Well. Oh, I'm wrong. What? What did I do wrong? Is the bottom really 0? Oh, dumb. It's cosine, not sine. Damn, bro. It's 0 over 0, which is indeterminate. Damn, bro. X goes to pi. 0. Okay. What is tangent? Tangent of pi. Sine 0 over 0 again. Oh, because it's minus. Haha, funny, guys. Funny. That's fucking hilarious. It's a minus. And if you go x to pi, it's minus 1. But I don't get the minus because I don't understand how negatives fucking work. What is sine of pi over 3? Root 3 over 2 squared. So 3 over 4. 1 minus. There's an answer. I want to get some food, bro. This is ridiculous. So basically, this is asking for sine of pi. Right? Sine of pi, -1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, it's 2 times the angle. Sine of pi, isn't it -1? Why can't we just substitute double angle? Maybe just double the fucking angle. Oh my. I did it again. Sine is the... What is the height? Sine is the height! Why do I keep saying negative? I keep doing that. It's always the stupidly easy things. Ugh. I did it again! I did it again! Pick whatever. I'm gonna fucking kill myself, bro! X goes to 0. Cosine is the X value. Sine is the Y value, bro. You learned this eight fucking streams ago. X to 0. Okay, what is sine squared of... Okay, what is sine of 0? 0, duh. Okay, hop. Cosine... What is cosine of 0? 0 over 0. Oh my god, bro. It exists. Is 0... 8, 16, 24 minus 15, which is 9. 0 over 0, indeterminate. Why are we getting this? Why are we getting this before the other one, bro? You're telling me to give one step when I already did all the steps earlier? Bro, just okay, fine. Finish this in like there. Oh my god, of course. Thank you, Khan Academy, for giving me the easy ones after the hard ones. No, I appreciate that. What? What are we doing? What's A? What? I'm... Skip. What am I supposed to do here? I'm not doing this, bro. I'm not doing this. Just do... let me just answer one of them. Trig. Let's say... Well, if you... Substitution. You know, yeah, you know what? I'm not doing this, bro. Skip. You get the point. Like, it's basically just saying what I'll do to find a limit, but like, I already did it. Like, I don't want to just solve more of those, bro. Chill. What time is it? I wanna... it's 2 hours. Guys, the reason why I'm frustrated is not because like it's super hard or like I'm not getting it. It's because I already learned this stuff. I should not like I should not just like be completely lost and get every possible mistake out there. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm just gonna order some food, bro. I'm hungry. What do you like more, this or linear algebra? Oh, that's actually an interesting question. I don't know. Which one was more painful? I can't answer that. The thing is, we're gonna go deep into calculus. Linear algebra, we only scratch the surface. So I can't answer that. But I will say though, calculus is definitely more painful. But not because it's harder, but because I just keep making the same dumbass mistakes. Because with matrices, bro, it's just you just do very simple arithmetic. It's just long. But this one, there's like identities I just cannot remember, and then I always somehow mess up the negative sign. Huh. Whatever. Okay, now I'm actually gonna end the stream. Alright. Well, I'll definitely practice more tomorrow. Yeah. By the way, I will go on a family vacation next week. So tomorrow's stream might be the last one for a few weeks. That tomorrow's stream or the 19th, we'll see. But yeah. Thank you for watching the stream and see you tomorrow. Oh my god, bro.